Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move a private page to a team space using the Notion app. Now once you're on the Notion app, all you have to do is just simply find that page under the private section, click the three dots towards the right hand side, and here you'll find move to. Click on that, and here you'll be able to find any team space that is available to you. I'm going to show you. You can also go ahead, click on that page as well, click the three dots, and you will also have the option to move to. Once you click on move to, you will also see the team space as well, and you can click on the team space and it will actually move that page towards the team space. Now if I go back to my home dashboard here, you will see that I have it moved and it's there. So if I click on that, I expand it, you can see that I have these two pages here underneath my team space. That's it guys, very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for how to easily go ahead and move pages from one space to the next, especially those private pages, you can move them to team space as well. So here's another example. Let me see. I'm going to move this weekly to-do list to my team space here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, open it, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, click and move to. Then here I can choose my team space here. So I'm going to go ahead, it's giving me some suggested as well. So I'm going to quickly choose that one here at the bottom, and that's it. It is moved to my Drew Notion HQ. So if I go back now and look here, you will see that I have Drew Notion HQ, and I can expand it, and it's going to show me that I have this weekly to-do list. And you can do this vice versa as well. So you can click on that as well, and you have the option to move to. You can always go ahead and search for whatever. The thing is that from this section you have to search for whatever you want, but if you don't know what is there, you can just simply open the page, click move to, then you can click move to again, click the three that's on the upper right hand side, and then click move to, and you can choose where you want it, right? You can move it to whatever section you want. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. On the lower right hand side, you can always switch between different workspace as well, so you can do that if you so desire. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.